I received your question about this problem here. It's kind of similar actually to the last video I made. Here you're given this equation. The signs are a little different than the last video. And you want to find the x-intercepts. Okay, in the last couple of videos we were talking about x-intercepts. To find the x-intercepts you got to let y be 0 or f of x be 0. So if I do that, if I let y be 0, okay, then I'll have this quadratic equation and I need to solve it. I don't like the leading coefficient to be negative, so I'll multiply it by -1 or change all the signs. So if I multiply everything by -1, that'll become a positive x squared, a minus 2x, and a plus 7. So you want to solve this quadratic equation. There's different ways for doing that. I'll use the quadratic formula. The value of A is coefficient squared term, which is 1. Value of B is -2, and C is 7. Now I'll put this into the quadratic formula, which is x equals, and it's negative b. B's a -2, so it's going to be minus a -2, which actually is going to come out positive 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared, where b's a -2, minus 4 times a times c, all over twice a. Okay, now I've set it up, and I guess the hardest part is to simplify that, but that'll be the answer to the question. And so this will come out to, let's see, let me move this up a little bit. So it'll come out to x equal 2 plus or minus, -2 squared will be 4. Then minus 4 times 7 will be minus 28 all over 2. And so let's see, that'll be 2 plus or minus square root of -24 all over 2. I'm trying to think of whether you can have, where you're looking at complex solutions here. If you've covered complex answers, then you can work with the square root of a -24. Let's see, it doesn't find the, we're wanting to find the intercepts, okay, and so this square root of -24, what that's telling us that there are no intercepts here. Okay, so we'd end up in the complex numbers, and so the correct answer is no x-intercepts. Hope this helps.